This is the Oppo Find X6 Pro featuring a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor. The same sensor can be found in the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. However, the Xiaomi 13 Pro doesn't have it. But Xiaomi claims a lot of cool camera jargons for it, like supporting the Leica Sami Lux lighting system and ISO Fusion Max. The dynamic range has increased by 8 times compared to the IMX989. But is it any good? Does the 1-inch sensor, the largest camera sensor in the market so far, matter? In this video, let's compare the photos and the videos. Without diving into technical jargon, let's get started. In the first part, we deliberately obscure the watermark. Can you differentiate between them? Feel free to pause and take a guess. Now, let's review the results. Any surprises? Theoretically, a 1-inch sensor should produce significantly better night photos. However, in the case of night photos, especially with the 70 times long zoom, the Xiaomi 14 Pro outperformed the other two by a wide margin. It exhibited far less noise and much clearer pictures. Impressive, isn't it? On the other hand, for photos taken with other focal lengths, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Sometimes the Oppo and 13 Ultra perform better, sometimes the Xiaomi 14 Pro takes the lead, and sometimes they produce similar results. It's quite a challenge to determine an overall winner. But here's something that's easy to decide. Geekbuy's W11 shopping spree. They offer the best prices for all the products. You can visit the website and select whatever you need right now. You won't regret it. Moving on to daylight photos, I removed the watermarks and you can make another guess. Let's review the results. Unlike the night photos, it appears that the Xiaomi 14 Pro didn't outshine the other two in the 17 times long zoom category. It's worth noting that the 13 Ultra and Oppo support a maximum zoom of 120 times, but it's practically unusable. Interestingly, I noticed that the Xiaomi 14 Pro has slightly better dynamic range in ultra-wide photos, while in other aspects, I couldn't discern any significant differences. To be honest, the more I compare these photos on the computer, the more I realize that the gap in photo capabilities among flagship phones is becoming increasingly narrower. Does the 1-inch sensor really matter? Perhaps, but not to a great extent. Each brand has its unique style, so choosing the one that suits you best is the key to finding the best phone camera. Now, let's talk about the video comparison. Video capabilities are what matter most to me because I often use my phone as a second camera when I'm shooting. Once again, there are no watermarks, so feel free to take a guess. Just for the reference, for selfie videos, the Oppo supports up to 4K at 30 fps, the Xiaomi 14 Pro at 4K at 60, while the 13 Ultra Max at 1080 at 60. I reframe all the videos in editing software to ensure they fit the screen perfectly. Units for Oppo supports 4K, Xiaomi 14 Pro 4K, but not for the Xiaomi 13 Ultra only supports 1080 30. Let's review the results. Did you guess correctly? When it comes to night selfie videos, don't expect too much from any of them. They all have their limitations, especially when you have a large LED screen behind you. It can cause overexposure and make the footage almost unusable. Running may result in lag and jittery light dots. That's just too bad. Okay, if I run a little bit. Okay. However, I did notice one thing: in extremely dark environments, the Oppo increases the screen's brightness, illuminating the subject's face and delivering the best performance among the three. Additionally, I observed that Oppo has the best dynamic range for selfie videos with the ability to capture the sky behind the subject. If I had to choose, I'd opt for the Xiaomi 14 Pro for its overall stability. Alright. 1080, 60. Okay, 1080, 60. Alright. Just let me know which one has the best stabilization, best quality. Now let's take a look at the 4K 60fps night and daylight videos, as well as the 1080p videos. Three phones are recording at 4K 60fps. So yeah, the scene, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go outside so you can see which one has the best video performance. Okay, we're gonna run a little bit. All right, this is outdoors. Check out the sky. Check out the drone. Ooh, okay. You have to notice the lights changing to see which phone handles better. Okay. All right. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's see the light. See everything. So for this screen, it's like really overexposed on three phones. I'm gonna run a little bit. Let me know which one has the best stabilization. Okay, since this is a cool girl, let me follow her. That was really cool. Okay, stabilization test, 4K 60. The both like have like default stabilization. So yeah. Okay. Let me know if it's good. Okay. Now 1080 60. 1080 60, alright? So just let me know if it's any good. Actually 1080 60 is like the resolution they use the most, because you know now there's lots of TikTok videos, right? Most people view videos just on the phones, so just 1080 is just good enough. Okay. Okay. I also tried 1080p Ultra Steady mode for all three phones, but honestly, I don't recommend using it. Firstly, it's limited to 1080p, and secondly, it tends to exhibit small jitters and a breathing effect, which I find unappealing. Stick to default stabilization is more than adequate. Alright, now I want to do the zoom test both at the main camera. So for Xiaomi 13 Ultra, let's go. You can go up to, like, this is 15 times. Okay, this is 15 times. Looks fine, right? And for Oppo, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10. It's supposed up to 18. So if I adjust it to like 15. Alright, so this is like 15. Okay, 16. That's hard to adjust. Okay, this is almost 15. So not bad, right? So for Xiaomi 14 Pro, 6, 19, 14, 15. Okay, so this is a 15 on Xiaomi 14 Pro, 15 on Oppo, and 15 on 13 Ultra. Let me know which one is better. From the screen, judging from the screen, seems Xiaomi 13 Ultra has the best performance. Yeah. Okay, let's move a little bit. Let's see the text. From the text, I can say Oppo is the best. All right. Oppo is the best from this angle. But anyway, okay, let's adjust it to. Okay, that's the Xiaomi manager, the guy who always helped me to do such videos. Anyway, that's the zoom. Finally, let's discuss slow motion, a feature I frequently use when shooting e-bikes outdoors. Slow motion is essential for capturing those thrilling moments. So, what do you think of the videos? Does the 1-inch sensor truly make a difference? Please leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. In the coming days, I'll be comparing the Xiaomi 14 Pro with the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Stay tuned.